Anambra State. We are doing business on coolnet something, but to me personally, I'm saying clothes. I buy clothes. I come back for Lagos, come sell my clothes. When I go there on Sunday, I was lodging my friend house. In reach Sunday morning, we are just done sleeping. What we know that all these migration people around 4 o'clock in the morning, they begin to arrest the whole Nigerians in Ghana. So for we, they break our house, begin to beat everybody, the whole villagers, been beating us and robbing our phones, our money, our properties. So come move down to police station. They snap us there, take our pictures, we say we should fill form. They come brought us to Akara prison. They will still snap us there, fill form there before. It's one of my profits in business that I'm a marketer.
Okay.
I'm buying, selling. Why not? I'm making money. Yeah, they are not happy because they learn accusation on us, begin to maltreat us. Even though when they turn they arrest us to prison, they say that after we should call our parents, say that we should send our money so that we will pay ourselves. All those of things, we stay there 9 days without eating, without drinking. What they say is that no much thing they say that will offend that they will enter illegally. They say they will enter illegally. Why illegally? Okay. That's what the excuse. But some of us were having international passports, national ID card, prove that we're from the Nigeria government. Take our seize our some of our products, our market we are selling. Before we brought to Akara, from Akara to Boga, they can't keep us there. No food, no water. If you won't go toilet, you go pay money. They go carry you go toilet, you go pay money. So that's the maltreat us. No food, nothing. They keep us where they opening, carry canopy, put for where we dey. So nothing we are sleeping for ordinary ground. So which tortured, they beat us when they arrest us from where we are living. Na them hold the power. Na them they try to reach our Nigeria because due to our phone was seized. They say that they reach Nigeria ambassador, but they no reply. 4 days later, they say Nigeria ambassador bring a form that all of us to fill to show that all of us were from Nigeria. We are from Nigeria citizen. So we fill the form. Before we come person, all of us, some of us come defend. We come regard from inside where they put us. They say that every person wey hold money to bail himself should be bail himself sum of 20,000. And wait till is 541 inside there. And Nigerians they deport. Everybody, yes, all of us that bail themselves with sum of 20,000. As you bail yourself, they deport you immediately. We are just managing. They not contact any ambassador from since we dey Bologa. We no see any ambassador Nigeria until they deport us, we bail ourselves and come back to Nigeria. I'm planning for my future whether the government will give me work or I will still continue to my business. Yes, if I will, but for how they maltreat us, I'm not sure that I will go back to Ghana again. They not contact any ambassador until we stay there. We don't see any ambassador Nigerians. They treat us as an armed robbers, but we are not armed robbers. They beat us. They seize what we are out some of our documents. They are goods shall be seized. For even then, some of our phones they collected, they not even refunded some of the phones to us. Some of the apart 99% of the phone they will not be seeing. Some of us just the useless, some of us destinies, just like that. So for me, I don't know the way they treated them, but for we, the way they people from Ghana, na so they treat us. Now I just be saying, yes, they treat us all of us armed robbers. We are entering illegally. Just treat us like armed robbers. People we don't even get any ID card. But majority of us, all of us have national ID card and international passport. Me, I'm 28 years.